Originally designed in 2017 and greatly improved in 2019, this mirror lights kit by Wenway is your best choice to create your own DIY Hollywood mirror. Setup only takes a few minutes. Peel off the stickers, attach the bulbs to the mirror frame or wall, hide the excess wires behind the mirror, or just twist the bulbs to straighten the wires. Plug in the power adapter and touch the on-cord dimmer switch to turn on the lights. Now, your professional Hollywood makeup mirror is ready to use! The most important improvement is the industrial-grade stickers that are used on this new lights kit. They will stay on for years to come. You'll never have to worry about them falling off from your mirror. Driven by a powerful 12-volt adapter and equipped with 6000K high-pot LED chips, these bulbs are 30% brighter and more natural than other, cheaper light kits. The touch dimmer switch has also been updated to be more sensitive and smarter than others. Choose Wenway. Look your best!